So I have been using CrDroid on my Redmi Note 10 Pro for quite some time now, and honestly, this custom ROM does not get the attention it deserves because it offers a ton of features. It is basically LineageOS on steroids. Let me quickly take you through the top 10 features so you can decide if you want to flash it on your phone. And as always, don't forget to check the important links in the video description. Let's start with the updates. They have been really consistent on my phone, and the best part is the inbuilt updater. So you can simply download the latest update and it is going to be installed automatically. On my Redmi Note 10 Pro, it is currently running on Android 16 and the overall experience has been very impressive. Next, let's talk about Google applications. You actually get full control here, and this is something a lot of people care about. If you want to de-Google your phone, CrDroid is one of the best ways to do it. But if you want access to Google Play Store, you can simply flash the recommended GApps package right after flashing the ROM. So you have an option to choose between Google or no Google. Now, customization is easily one of the best features present in CrDroid. There's a dedicated CrDroid Settings menu which is fully loaded. You can tweak the status bar, lock screen shortcuts, quick settings layout, gestures, animations, and so many small details that really help you personalize the phone. You also get this very cool sidebar that is fully customizable. On top of that, CrDroid includes some useful extras like unlimited Google photo storage, Netflix and Google Play integrity spoof. These things make a big difference in daily use. If you are into gaming, CrDroid has a dedicated mode for that. You get options to unlock higher FPS depending on your device. And there's also an option to block notifications and other distractions while gaming. On the privacy side, things are simple and clean. Because it is based on LineageOS, the privacy foundation is already solid. You don't get unnecessary services tracking you in the background, which is something most of you are going to appreciate. Display features are also pretty solid. You get always on display, a proper pure black theme which looks great on AMOLED screens, smooth adaptive refresh rate, and useful gestures like double tap to wake and sleep. One feature I really like is per app refresh rate. You can force 120Hz or 60Hz for specific applications, which can help in saving battery without sacrificing smoothness. Performance has been solid from day one. CrDroid is running very smoothly on my phone and I did not face any random lag. Honestly, I did not feel much difference in performance between Android 15 and Android 16. Because the updates come on time, anything that breaks gets fixed pretty quickly. Battery backup has also been very solid, and there's a charging limit feature that lets you stop charging at a certain percentage. This feature is great for keeping your battery healthy. The camera setup is another good surprise. CrDroid gives you a Leica camera application. It has better processing, more modes, and overall better output. So if you are into smartphone photography, this is going to be really helpful for you. If you talk about the audio features, well, you get a built-in Dolby Atmos. You get different sound profiles, an equalizer, dialogue enhancer, bass enhancer. This is definitely going to make your audio experience much better. And lastly, the basics. Everything works properly. The application lock feature is simple and reliable. Calls, network, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, fingerprint scanner, and face unlock all work without any issues. Now, you can use CrDroid without any major modifications, but I did change some things to make it better for me. I needed access to Google Play Store, so I flashed the latest GApps package that has been provided on the official CrDroid website. The default launcher is good, but I needed some extra customization, so I keep switching between Niagara Launcher and Launcher 15. I also installed two open source Android browsers, IronFox and IceRaven, which offer better privacy and customization. Now, these changes are not important, but they will definitely make your experience better, so you can give them a try. If you are planning to flash CrDroid on your phone, you only need two things: an unlocked bootloader and the official support for your device. You can find the proper flashing instructions on their website and they are simple and clear. But if you face any issues, you can drop a comment or you can also reach out to me on Instagram. I'll try my best to help. So that's it. CrDroid, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated custom ROMs available right now. It is stable, smooth, and offers a ton of features that actually make sense. If you are interested in videos like this, I keep posting them from time to time, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.